Hey guys, we're going hiking this morning. Huh?
This is like a really small jacket.
It's okay as long as it fits.
Yeah, you said that one was yours.
Yeah.
So the other one was not yours, which means this one is yours.
Anyway, we're going hiking. It's been a while since we've been at this trail. It's nice out today, a little bit cloudy. But we're all wearing layers because it said it was going to be like 46 degrees or something like that. But there's no wind, so it's really nice. Which is good because I get earaches easily, so should be nice, should be fun. Got my newer workout type pants that I bought on. They're like, I don't know, they're like soft cotton. They look like jeans, but they're like very comfortable. I got from Walmart. Very comfy. Let's go. Here we go, starting the trail. Here goes the Game Boys.
Oh, it's a heart. Daddy, it's a heart. Daddy, look.
Hi boys.
Hello.
Having fun?
Yeah.
We're not going the whole way because we haven't been up here in a really long time, and if we go all the way, we have to walk all the way back to the car, and it's pretty far. And we haven't been here in so long, we're all out of shape, so, well, I'm out of shape anyway, but my legs are starting to hurt, so it's time to head back. Or my legs are starting to feel weak, I should say. Can't even see, it's so bright out here. It's really hot too, actually. I thought it would be colder, but it's good because I'm sweating, and
It's getting hot.
that's a good thing.
Yeah, but at least we're getting some good.
Yep, we're getting lots of good exercise.
Hey, my emotion is happy. I think.
Emotion's happy.
Yeah, like when it's happy. Oh no, it's love. It's purple.
All right, time to head back, and it's my turn to listen to my music playlist, so gotta go. All right, family, good job. Come on, Daddy. I think we made it about 5 miles total. 2.5 there and 2.5 on the way back. How you feel, Garion?
Good.
Good, your legs are okay? Logan?
Good.
Feel good? Good. Now we're gonna head home, and I'm gonna take a shower and make some hash browns because I'm starving.
I don't want any hash browns.
Well, I do.
I know.
I do. You already had breakfast. I haven't had breakfast yet.
I don't want to have hash browns.
It's funny how I didn't ask them if they wanted hash browns, but they have to voice
Can I walk on those?
their opinion. Daddy wants hash browns. Daddy appreciates my cooking. Most of the time. All right, I'm all showered. Now it's potato time. Oh yeah. Oh, there's hash browns underneath there somewhere. And I'm using my Taco Bell mild sauce. So I wanted to go now before it gets cold.
You know what I mean?
Well, we spot some vegan jerky. Let's see what he got.
I learned a couple things.
Okay, hold on.
Number one, this is all made here. It's all local.
Oh, that's cool.
Number two, these are also sold at Whole Foods.
This is not vegan, is it?
It's cactus jerky. It's vegan.
Oh, cactus. Oh, that's interesting. How come it doesn't say on
They
there?
have a vegan.
They're all cactus? Everything they sell?
No, they have a vegan section,
Oh,
and the vegan section is cactus.
that's interesting.
Pepperoni.
Is it
Here's
good?
the thing, though.
Is it good?
Can I be honest with you, though?
Yeah, what?
Here's why I don't like it.
Why?
I don't like cactus.
I've never had it.
Because Mexicans have this dish, napales,
I know.
and I always hated napales.
I've been meaning to try it forever, and I'm gonna go ahead and try this.
And so for me, it's the whole texture thing I can't overlook.
It smells weird.
Well, actually, it smells like jerky. Like the flavor is good. that cactus texture that I grew up with, that I despised as a child, I continue to despise today.
I don't like it. It's kind of gross. It's extremely salty.
Well, it's jerky.
Yes, but I like jerky, but I don't like that one.
Jerky is salty.
I don't like it. Interesting. Cool stuff, huh?
Oh, it's so cute. It's Totoro.
It's cute. I like those bags.
Hey, oh, nice. Hey, I've always wanted.
I love my kitty. Oh. Can you hear her purring? She's a sweet baby. Lily, what you doing, Lily? What you doing, huh? You stinky dog? What you doing, stinky doggy?
Yeah,
Huh?
most of them didn't want to be there in the first place, including me.
Somebody's still got a cough. I'm not taking pictures. I'm taking video. Oh yeah, welcome to your world. You love it. Logan loves it.
Hi.
Hi.
Hello.
Hello, hello. Dropping the kids off at Grandma and Grandpa's house.